Hey guys, welcome to Grand Prairie, Alberta. This is downtown Grand Prairie. It's now Monday, January 22nd, and it's now 5 p.m. The temperature is currently 18 degrees Celsius, and I'm giving you guys a quick tour of downtown Grand Prairie. Now, this video was a popular request by a few persons who used to live in Grand Prairie, and they asked me to just give them a video so they can see what the city is looking like. So that's what you're getting. If you guys are new here, subscribe, smash a like on the video, and drop a comment. Let me know what city you're watching from. So downtown is just a very small stretch. It's not as big as the bigger cities. It's not definitely not big as Calgary or Edmonton. This is what we got. So that is pretty much it for downtown, guys. Well, one street. This is 100 Ave, and 100 Ave goes all the way out. But as far as commercial activity, this is one of the busiest streets in Grand Prairie. Now it does go back onto 99th Ave, so I'm just gonna walk on 99th Ave as well, show you guys what that's looking like as well. All right, guys, please be sure to smash a like on the video and drop a comment. All right, guys, really appreciate it. Okay guys, welcome to 99th Ave, the other part of downtown. Fairly busy on the street this evening. Everyone is coming from work. Guys, it's freezing. Wow. The longer you're outside, the colder it gets. If you're enjoying this video, guys, please smash a like, subscribe, become a part of the family. We really appreciate it. Okay, we're approaching the end of downtown now. Now we're really going east side of Grand Prairie if we continue going straight right there. So I'm just gonna end this video in another couple minutes here because we have essentially walked out all of downtown Grand Prairie, guys. And okay guys, there you have it. In case you're wondering, there is me. Hopefully you guys enjoy this short walking tour. This is me freezing. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe, become a part of the family, and you know, drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from, and if you're in Grand Prairie, smash a like. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.